Operation procedure for ACER AGS-2040SD. 1. Turn on power. Indicator light is on. 2. Release emergency push button. Turn on power. Wait 3 seconds until digital numbers show up. 3. Push rapid up. Push rapid down. 4. Push slow up button. Push slow down button. 5. Push step up button. Each time it shows 2/10 for fine feed increment. Push step down button. 6. Make sure the valve is on off position. Turn on hydraulic motor. Turn off hydraulic motor. 7. Turn on coolant system. Turn off coolant system. 8. Set up longitudinal movement. 1. Set up table travel by adjusting the 2 dogs. 2. Turn on hydraulic motor. Open control valve. Control the table speed. Clockwise for faster. 3. Fine adjustment on table speed when table is on. Clockwise is faster speed. Counterclockwise is slower speed. 4. Table direction control. Press the hydraulic motor on button. The light will flash. Table will stop. Then push the direction control button for right. Press the direction control button for left. Then push the hydraulic motor on button one more time so that the table will go back to original speed. 9. Turn on spindle. Turn off spindle. 10. Crossfeed for manual mode. Column towards operator, column away from operator. 11. Crossfeed for auto mode. 1. Set up crossfeed travel. In manual mode, move table to start position. Hit the position setting button. The light will start to flash. Move to second position. Push the direction button. Push the position setting button one more time. Endpoint is confirmed. 2. Auto crossfeed move. Push the auto surface grinding mode button. Push the crossfeed function switch to auto. The light will be on. Push the direction button. Table will start incremental move. Increase crossfeed. Decrease crossfeed. Wow. Auto downfeed setup. Push the data input key. Sum of downfeed will flash. Type in 0.006. Press enter. Crossfeed. Type in 10. Means 1000. Press enter. Sum of fine feed. Type in 20. Means 2000. Fine feed. Type in 2. Means 2/10. Press enter. Mark out 2 times. Move to desired position. Press reset. Press auto start to start auto surface grinding function. Make sure auto surface grinding is on. Auto plunging function. Set up auto downfeed. Move to desired position. Press reset. Press auto plunging function. Press retract to origin button. Press auto start. Return to origin function. Move to desired position. Press return to origin function. Two-edge auto downfeed. One-edge auto downfeed. Quick setting for fine feed. MPG function. Enable, disable MPG. 1/10. 1 thou. 2 thou. Automatic dressing function. 1. Manual down. Manual up. Manual forward. Manual backwards. 2. 1 cycle forward and backward push button. Speed override. 3. Auto dressing. Set increment 0.001 inches. Set auto increment 2 times. Set spark out 2 times. Press start push button. After finish 0 spark out dressing, we'll do final 1 cycle spark out.